Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex, and as you guys can see, I have a massive box, like literally a massive box here with me. And inside this box, Glossy box was nice enough to send me their advent calendar for 2020, so I'm so freaking excited to get unboxing this. I also have a coupon code that I want to mention before we get into it. It is 16 Alexandra, so you get $10 off of your advent calendar box. They retail for $99 and inside value is $550, guys. $550, you get it for $99, but with my code, when you subscribe to their monthly subscription box, you get that box for $16 and then $10 off of this box. Also, if you want to see their monthly subscription, I did put it in a vlog that I just uploaded, so that'll be linked in the description. So we've got a bunch of wrapping. Let's get this box out of the way. Look at this, you guys. Oh my god, the packaging alone is freaking beautiful. Look at this. Oh my god, they killed the packaging. This is what it looks like. How freaking cute. It just says, there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy, Glossy box, and then it comes with this. Spoiler alert. Ooh, so these I guess are all the products that are inside. So we're not going to open that just yet. There are other reviews already on YouTube for this box, but I personally have not seen any. I just know the 3 sneak peeks that they gave on their Instagram, and other than that, I have no idea what's inside this box. There are 25 different products in this box, so I know 3 out of the 25. So I'm super excited, but 10 out of 10 for packaging. This is so cute. Like, I honestly think I'm going to keep this box and keep it for like storage. So cute. They're individually packaged on the inside, which is freaking beautiful. I really like how they don't have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all together. It's kind of like a little scavenger hunt where you find it. Starting off with box number 1. It's even like packaged so cute, like you're just ordering something and it comes packaged. Makeup Revolution London face palette. 4 highlighting powders. Ooh, I love highlighters. Oh my goodness. Item number 1 is this beautiful highlighter palette from Makeup Revolution London. I love this. I don't want the video to be really long, so I am just going to open these and show you 1 through 25, and then if you guys really want, I can make a part 2 of where I actually test out, like do my face of makeup and test all of this out. So let me know, but this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And I like that it comes with a little mirror over here. Okay, where's number 2? I found number 2. Box number 2. Something light. Mascara. Lip liner. Eyeliner. I've never heard of this brand, but it is a black liner. Number 3 was over here. Box number 3. This looks like maybe a blush palette, something small, a small blush. What's in here? I love this. This just makes me so happy. What is this? A lip balm? Clean It Zero Cleaning Balm Purifying. Gently massage balm in circular motions onto dry skin using fingertips. This is item number 3. Ooh, 8 is really pretty. Box number 4. A face mask, a sheet mask, is it? Oh, All Eyes on Me. Ooh, illuminating eye gel. I got the face mask in the October box, and they included the illuminating eye gels in the advent calendar. Oh my goodness, 25 is huge. Okay, number 5. Yay, I'm excited for this one. This is the Flower Bomb perfume. I've had my eye on this for so long and I never purchased it. I haven't even smelled it, especially because COVID's been happening. So now that we have it, I'm so excited for this one. Oh, it's so cute. It's so petite and cute. I really like this. Very florally. I really like this. Wow. Super happy with that. Ooh, number 6 is this one. Number 6. It looks like it could be a full-size perfume, maybe a cleanser. Oh, I love the way this smells now. Every time I like move, it just, that aroma. Oh, I love that. What's this? Is this Tarte? A full-size Tarte micellar water. What? Oh, love that. Makeup remover and cleanser. That is so funny. I needed to buy a new cleanser. Oh, I love this. The ones where you have the little like pump where you put your cotton ball and you just, you know. Next up, we have number 7, Glossy Box Skincare. Oh, they have their own skincare? I didn't know they had their own line of products. Packaging, super cute. Glossy Box Skincare 3-in-1 moisturizer, plumps, primes, and protects. Wow, this box is actually so great. You get a little bit of everything. You don't expect it. Wow. I'm so happy I didn't look at other reviews because this is great. I'm having so much fun. So we're on number 8. I'm excited for this one. Oh, whoa. Interesting. This is a big box, but it is very light. Maybe another face mask. Exfoliating dual texture scrubber. This is perfect. This is a great size. So it's just like a little scrubber with texture, and that way you can scrub your face if you want, or body scrub. Great. We love this. Definitely wanted one of these. And it is from the brand Daily Concepts. Box number 9. Hair Apology Intense Care 10-in-1 Leave-In Treatment Spray. Nourish and rehabilitate critically processed damaged hair for very first time. It smells good. It smells good, clean. This is that. This box is going great. I don't know about you guys, but I'm having so much fun unboxing this. Hopefully it's as entertaining to watch. I'm confused. I'm tripping. Okay, so here we have, there's no 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
2 hours later.
Oh, I found it. I was like, where is it? And then I realized the 25 you actually take out, and it's hidden. It's hidden in there. So I found the 10, guys. I thought I was going crazy, but we got 10. Ooh, we got 2 things for 10. We have the Freeman Neck Firming Soothing Sheet Mask and the Melting Sugar. Ooh. Rose Gummy Bears. Well, that was a nice little scavenger hunt. Number 11. This one is a Style Dry Turban Shower Cap. Ooh, so I guess this will help protect your hair so when you go in the shower it won't ruin it. Number 12. We got some skincare by the brand Avant. Never heard of them. It is a hyaluronic collagen. Can't say it, but this is it. Number 13. And we got another cleanser. This one is Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. We love being glowy and we love vitamin C. So number 14, Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Oh, so this was another sneak peek that they showed. It is by Wander Beauty. So this is it. I like the brush, the applicator. We're almost done. We have 10 more. Number 15. This is 111 Skin Harley St. London Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment. I seriously love all these brightening things that are inside here. Next up, box 16. Ooh, Evio Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Interesting. 17. Doesn't sound like anything's in here. Smooth Refined Body Lotion. Can never have too many creams, especially now in the winter for Canada. You get really dry, and when you sanitize it a lot, you also get very dry. 18. What is this, a lip liner? Lip liner. A Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Hawkwine. Another full-sized product. Oh, this is a nice fall shade. Wow, buttery soft. It's actually a really cute like brownish muddy fall color. This is perfect for fall. Love that. Actually, I really like the brown, and brown chocolates are so in right now. My nails are brown and everybody has just been doing brown nails, brown lips, brown eye, like makeup looks and all of that. I'm gonna quickly undo the swatch because I don't want it to get on my sweater. Hold on. All right, we're back. So number 19. This has been just so exciting. I know I keep saying that, but it's so exciting. Number 19. This feels very light. Again, like nothing's inside there. But makeup brushes. Eyeshadow brush set. It comes with a freaking brush set, you guys. And I know, because spoiler alert, there's going to be a palette. I think it's probably the Christmas one. There is a full-size palette. So obviously they had to include eyeshadow brushes. These are from the LA Splash Cosmetics. The 2 brushes that it comes with is a setting brush for applying, blending, and setting, and a defining brush for wing liner, brow liner, and line definer. Box number 20. Is this the first, if this is the First Aid Beauty Cleanser? I love this cleanser. I have the jumbo size of it. I bought it for the VIB Sephora sale the last time they had the sale, and I absolutely love this. I got it in a value size like sample sets that they have, because you can find some great products, and this is definitely one of my staples. 21. This is heavy. This is a Stuck On You eye primer. So it looks like it's just a clear, and it is cruelty free. So yeah, just an eye primer. Cute. Box 22. Oh my god, there's only 3 more boxes left. What is this? Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. It says restore the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. 15 minutes to new skin. Alright, so 23 over here. Oh, we see something bright red. What is this? Multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. Tinted ultimate red balm for lips, cheeks, and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. Fragrance free, cruelty free, and vegan. I wonder if it's gonna be like intense red because the packaging looks kind of scary. Box 24. Is this the nail polish box? Oh, I think this is the nail polish box. I was excited for this one. Yes. Ooh. Okay, I don't know if they meant to like color coordinate everything, but this seems to match the liquid lipstick Kat Von D. I have a couple of their nail polishes. Actually, I got the color changing one from the Sephora sale, so it's a pink that turns to a light pink, and then there's like a gray that turns to a lighter gray pinkish. It's really, really cute. I really like their brand actually, so I'm really happy I have another one. And again, dark browns and like chocolatey colors are very in right now, so I'm definitely gonna try this out. This is in the shade Victoria. And then box number 25, which you guys gotta open on Christmas Day. If you open them one by one, we have the beautiful, well packaged, heavy, iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. But look at that. How freaking pretty. I don't want to open this just yet. I don't want to touch it. How freaking pretty. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. Alright guys, so unfortunately that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I honestly had so much fun unboxing this, so shout out to Glossy Box. Thank you guys so much once again. Don't forget you guys, you can use my code 16Alexandra for money off of your box. There will be a link and all the information you want down below in the description, so definitely go check that out. It's only for $99 and it has a $550 value, which obviously we can see is full of good things. You know those boxes that sometimes you get things that you're obviously not going to want to use, or things that are just like the things that don't sell the most for brands? This box was full of good things, you guys. Also guys, don't forget, if you want to see other advent calendars, definitely comment them down below and I will buy them and unbox them for you guys. But I'm just saying, Glossy Box, they set the bar high for these advent calendars because I am so freaking impressed. So shout out to Glossy Box once again. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!